Hi, hello. I'm Dr.K.Poongothai. Now we are going to discuss about the topic objectives of economics in the managerial economics and the courses in the course of managerial economics. Now we are going to discuss about the objectives of managerial economics. In above slide we have seen that what is managerial economics and introduction of managerial economics. Now we are going to see about the objectives of managerial economics. The main objective of managerial economics are to help the managers to make informed decision and maximizing the organizational performance. Here, the economics plays an important role over here. Both economics, how the economics is dominating or useful to the managerial in a management function. Its main objective is to help the managers in making a decision to have a maximum organizational performance over here. The first thing is profit maximization. Here we are having a different points and different objectives over here. The basic objectives of managerial economic is to analyze the economic problem faced by the business. To other objectives are, the first one is to integrate the economic theory with business practice. One is the economic theory. Here the theory in an economic basis we are having on the theory, but in management basis we are having, or a business based we are having a practical over here. So it is an integration of economic theory with the business practice. The next thing is to apply the economic concept and principles to solve the business problems. So first, by applying an economic concept, how we are solving a problem in a real world business problems. So that is a second objective. And the third objective is to allocate these scarce resources in an optimum manner. So we have to allocate the resources for a business in an optimum manner. So sufficient manner how we can allocate before itself and how we can plan before itself. The next one is to make all around development of a firm. So not only we concentrated on our decision making, but we have to concentrate overall business dealings from the top to bottom of here. So that is a to allocate or to make all-rounder development of a firm, not only in a production process, not only in a profit making, but we have to concentrate overall all the part of a business around a firm. The next thing is to minimize the risk and uncertainty. So we have to concentrate on maximizing the profit and minimizing the risk, and we have to manage if any high uncertainties are happen over here. So these are all some of the basic objectives. So now we are going to see about the from the chart what are all the objectives in a deep manner. The first one is profit maximization. Here the profit maximization helps the business to achieve the optimal profit level by analyzing the cost, revenue and market condition. So that is a profit maximization. The next one is cost maximization. So cost maximization is one of the most important thing. From this cost maximization we are analyzing the cost over here for a production of process. Minimum cost, reducing a production and operational cost with comparison of quality to improve overall efficiency. The next one is demand forecasting. The demand forecasting is to understanding and predicting the customer demand to align the production, inventories and market strategies efficiently. So demand forecasting means we have to analyze as customer and we have to create a wants and needs of a customer, how we have to run our business, in what way we have to make a demand or a plan over here. So that comes under the demand forecasting. So first if we have analyzing a demand only, we can make a alternative solutions over it. It is one of the important thing to make a decision. The next one is Resource optimization, ensuring the efficient allocation of a scarce resources such as labor, capital, material, money, and maximum output over here. So that is a resource optimization. Next one is pricing decision. Here the pricing decision is an development strategies to determine the optimum pricing that balances the competitiveness, profitability, and market dynamics. This comes under the pricing decision. Next one is strategic planning, assisting in the formatting of long-term plans including the business expansion, diversification, etc. It comes under the strategic planning. The next one is risk management. So in each and every business or in each and every activities we are having a risk over it, and we have to overcome that. We have to identify, analyze, and associate the market uncertainties, economic fluctuations, and competitive pressures, etc. The next one is enhancing the decision making. Here the most important thing is that the decision making, it helps in an economic. So the enhancing an economic decision, it provides an rational framework for making an informative decision about the production, investment, marketing, and an operations. The next thing is competitive analysis. Here the competitive analysis is one of the most important thing. We have to analyze our competitor in the market, develop the strategies, and make a position, and we have to make a competitive advantages over here. The next one is sustainability and social responsibility. The product promoting the practice that is a balancing an economic objectives with an environmental and social consideration for a suitable growth. So that is known as sustainability and social responsibility. The next thing is maximizing the stakeholders value. Here aligning organizational goals with the interest of stakeholders including the customers. So that is a important thing. The next, it is a business organization or a business objectives over here in a managerial economics. So these are all the some points we have seen over here. These are all the objectives of a business. These are all the objective of business in organization of managerial economics. The next, by integrating an economic principles with a managerial practice, managerial economics serves as a valuable tool for making a sound business decision in a complex and dynamic environment over here. So I hope you all understand about the objectives of a managerial economics. Thank you.